Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Perfect English Channel.
It's great to have you with us again. Every lesson brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally.
Today, we're continuing our series with 20 more common English sentence mistakes.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and try using these correct sentences in your daily conversations.
Let's get started. Mistake 1. Some learners say, I am good to swim.
The correct sentence is, I am good at swimming.
Mistake 2.
Some people say, she has gone to home.
Correct. She has gone home. Mistake 3. Some learners say, I didn't saw him.
Correct. I didn't see him.
Mistake 4.
Some people say, he is married with her.
Correct. He is married to her. Mistake 5. Some learners say, I am used to get up early.
Correct. I am used to getting up early.
Mistake 6.
Some people say, she made me to laugh.
Correct. She made me laugh. Mistake 7.
Some learners say, I'm looking forward to meet you.
Correct. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Mistake 8.
Some people say, he asked me where was I.
Correct. He asked me where I was. Mistake 9. Some learners say, I have been knowing her for years.
Correct. I have known her for years.
Mistake 10. Some people say, I am enough strong.
Correct. I am strong enough.
Mistake 11. Some learners say, there is too many people.
Correct. There are too many people.
Mistake 12. Some people say, he has less books than me.
Correct. He has fewer books than I do.
Mistake 13. Some learners say, the police is coming.
Correct. The police are coming.
Mistake 14. Some people say, I regret to tell him the truth when talking about something already done.
Correct. I regret telling him the truth.
Mistake 15. Some learners say, she let me to use her phone.
Correct. She let me use her phone.
Mistake 16. Some people say, he denied to steal the money. Correct. He denied stealing the money. Mistake 17. Some learners say, I'm responsible of this project.
Correct. I'm responsible for this project. Mistake 18. Some people say, I insist to pay.
Correct. I insist on paying. Mistake 19. Some learners say, she succeeded to finish the race.
Correct. She succeeded in finishing the race. Mistake 20. Some people say, despite of the rain, we went out.
Correct. Despite the rain, we went out. Or, in spite of the rain, we went out. Fantastic job! You've now learned 20 more common English sentence mistakes and their correct forms.
Remember, learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about improving one sentence at a time. Practice these examples aloud and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every correction helps you become a stronger English speaker. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with another English learner. Thanks for listening. Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.